What up, people? I got y'all right here on the 4 hourly chart. As y'all can see, the pattern is still valid. You got this nice M to the dub, rise level 1, going into the rise level 2 right here, right? You get that bounce off the 100 EMA, which should come up here to around 12,000 rejection, and then boom, go to level 3. Then the peak formation will definitely be a hit to the 200 EMA on a 4 hourly, and I'm expecting this thing to come up to around $13,000. Hit y'all on the daily, see a little further out. Y'all see the pattern, clear as day. But y'all see this the 200 EMA, right? We're bouncing off of it, clear as day. And we can see the 100 EMA. And we're going to come up here, like I said, around $13,000 or so. And then reverse. But if it was a spike up above it, we would not go higher than 13,500. Just because of this right here. We can't break this because that'll be a confirmation of an uptrend. But they already confirmed the downtrend because it's quote unquote, go out to the weekly so y'all can see clear. This is a W formation, right? For the traders that don't understand, when you see a W formation, the right leg has to be higher than the left leg for a confirmation that it's actually even going up in general. But since it's lower than the left leg, this means it's guaranteed to go down. But anyways, y'all can see there'll be a hit to the 50 EMA for the third time. Like I always say, y'all, market makers love doing things by threes. And that's after it dropped below the 50 EMA. It's 1, 2, third rejection. It has to come down to the next support level, would be around $9,500. Go out a little further so I can make it more clear on the monthly. So boom, even on the monthly, there'll be a hit to the 20 EMA on the monthly also. So y'all see why it has to go up, just so I can have these little motions, you know what I'm saying, to make it market structure. So basically, so it don't seem like they're scamming you. That's how I'm gonna put it. Because if I can read these charts and tell you what's happening, like I always say, watch my previous videos and then look at the charts now. If I can do this, why can't they do that? Especially if they have the money. You feel me? So they just feel as though that it's okay. They can do this to people because you can read these charts and they're not hiding. All you gotta do is spend some time and just keep looking at it. Keep watching my channel. Like I'm telling you, every time you see me make anything, all they drawn, do the exact same thing you see on here and put it on your chart and watch it play out. That's what I did. And that's how I learned how to read these charts. It don't even take that long either. It took me maybe like 9 months, a year. Of course, I learned me some hard lessons. Don't get me wrong on that. But at the end of the day, I figured out how the game works. But anyways, we see we're going to have that tap to the 20 MA again. Boom. Like I say, y'all can see this right here. See this tap up here? That's how you know it's resistance. On the smaller time frames, it's short clear. But, you know, you just see the spike up right here. That's why I say that'll be their next level. Will slow down at around 9,500. After that, you got to come down and recover all these candlesticks right here. And it'll be also a hit to this 100 EMA. So it'll be around 7,000, you know what I mean? Keep it simple. But zoom out, though. Let's hit the 12-month chart, though. All right, so we know this thing came out much later than not NASDAQ, the S&P and whatnot, right? So, you know, it had to hurry up and catch up with the S&P. So all it has right now is the information to the dub. I can show you on the top small time frame, but the information is there. But no, this is much simpler, so I can explain it to y'all much better. So anyways, this time around, of course, we coming out hit the 20 EMA at the very least, you know what I mean? And this is on a 12-month chart. And that'll just be a recovery of this candlestick, basically, you know what I mean? Around $9,000. But like I said, I believe they're going to transfer everything from the stock market into the crypto markets. So now listen to this now. As y'all can see, the M to the dub, right? The thing is about the dub, it can't drop below $3,700 for one, because they'll break market structure. But it will drop below because look, has any of these candlesticks been recovered since what? What year is that? What, since 2008? Everything since 2008 has not been recovered. And Bitcoin came out in 2008. So I want you to just sit and think about that. Since Bitcoin came out, they haven't recovered any of these candlesticks on a 12-month chart since 2008, and it is 2022, about to be 2023. I want y'all just sit and think about that. It's been going up nonstop. Just one little doji for you, you know what I'm saying? But nonstop for years. For years. I was still a kid. I was still in school, son. And it's been going up my whole life, you might as well say. But anyways, the whole point here is when you trade with this W and the pattern formation, right? When it comes down, you have to wait for the bounce off this support. Because a lot of times, this is when they will fail, and this will break the pattern. Because usually you got to wait, like you see I have this right here, right? You have to wait until it break this level, basically. The level it dropped from, you see this doji, this level right here in general. It has to come down, boom, come back up and break it. Or else it'll keep getting rejected and it'll just destroy the rest of the market. And that's what's going to happen, further down the line. But generally speaking, I'm just saying this is how the pattern works. And I believe this is what they're doing because, for one, they already overextended it. When the pattern starts, right, they should have came up here like max to like 4,700 and then retrace, like I showed y'all on the smaller patterns. Matter of fact, let me show you on the smaller pattern, so it makes sense. So boom, right here, you see the way this came out, it didn't go too far away from where it started, basically. From right here on up, and you can see, look at the line, look straight to the right. It bounced off the exact same line and went up to level 2, basically. You know what I mean? It stayed in the general zone. It had to stay above this to confirm the pattern. So on that 12-month chart, this means if it dropped below $3,700, it's over. Because it's going to come down and recover these candlesticks. That's at $1,200. These spikes did not even recover this candlestick. That's $900 some. And clear as day, not recover. This vector candle right here definitely haven't been recovered. Everything else been recovered, but this right here, basically anywhere from here, $200 has not been recovered in the stock market. The NASDAQ. Bro, I'm just saying, I'm showing y'all the proof here. Y'all can take whatever I say, however y'all want to. I'm just showing you proof. It shows it in the chart. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.